Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 1 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, go to grade 1 maths, click on your all lessons. There you can see list with chapters. Got it? So we're going to start with the chapter subtraction. Here is the list lessons we're going to cover today. They are subtraction facts, numbers up to 18, subtraction word problems, numbers up to 18, subtraction sentences for word problems, numbers up to 18. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtraction facts, numbers up to 18. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Okay, here is the first lesson, that is subtraction facts, numbers up to 18. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 1 maths. The chapter name is subtraction. I'm on chapter subtraction. Here is the lesson I'm going to start with, subtraction facts, numbers up to 18. So let's just start with the lesson. Let's start with the first example. You have to subtract 11, subtract 9. Okay, let's just start with 11, the first example, that is 11 subtract 9. Okay, you have two of the ways to solve this. Got it? The one we are doing earlier, just make 11 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remove 9 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just count the lines you are left with. You're left with just two lines. Got it? That is the method we are using earlier. Got it? But now the numbers are greater than 10, so making lines is a bit long method, so you have to use the easy one. Let's start with the easy one. It's a bit tricky, but it is easy. Got it? Look for the, you have to always start with the ones, rightmost digit or either the ones digit. So these are the ones digit and this is the tens digit. Start with 1, subtract 9. You cannot subtract 1 out of 9. Got it? Because 1 is smaller number. You always subtract the greater number out of the smaller one. Got it? So you have to make the number 11. Got it? So to make it 11, you have to borrow 1 from the next number. Got it? The next number is already 1. Got it? You have to make this number 11. You have to make this one greater than 9 so that you can subtract. So for this word purpose, you have to borrow 1 from here. Got it? So 1 is already here. When you borrow 1 from here, it will make 11 here. Got it? And here you're left with 0 because 1 subtract 0 is 0. Got it? Now you have 11 subtract 9. So 11 subtract 9 is, here we did 11 subtract 9, that is 2. Got it? So basically we are going to borrow, now we are going to borrow 1 from the next digit. Got it? Okay, this way we can do 11 subtract 9. 11 subtract 9 equals 2. Okay, let's just start with the next one. The next one is 10 take away 5. So 10 take away 5. Okay. Start with the ones digits. Here the ones digit is 0. 0 take away 5. You cannot take away, you cannot subtract smaller number out of the greater one. 0 is smaller number. Got it? You have to make this number greater than 5. Got it? You already have a 0. You have to borrow 1 from the last digit. You have 0 as a rightmost digit. The one you borrowed is the digit you add on the left of the 0. Got it? So it makes 10 here, and here you 1 minus 1 is 0. Now you have to subtract, take 10 take away 5. So 10 take away 5 is 5. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 10 take away 7. You have to subtract 10 take away. Okay, start with the rightmost digits. The rightmost digit is 0 and 7. You cannot subtract 0 out of 7 because 0 is smaller than 7. You always subtract a greater number out of the smaller one. Got it? So you have to do, here you have 0. You have to borrow 1 from here to make the number greater than 7. Got it? You already have a 0. 0 is the rightmost digit. The one you borrowed it, you have to add the one to the left of the 0. It makes 10, and here you are left with 0. So 10 take away 7 is 3. Got it? You have to borrow to subtract now. Got it? Borrow from the next digit. Okay, so the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option. 10 take away 7 is 3. Nana, what happened? 10 take away 7 is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 14 subtract 6. Okay, 14 subtract 6. So you have to do the same method. We cannot subtract 4 out of 6 because 4 is smaller than 6. You always subtract the greater number out of the smaller one. Got it? So you have to borrow 1 from the next digit. Got it? You have 4 here. When you borrow 1 from the next digit, here you are left with 1, subtract 1, 0, and it makes 14. Got it? So 14 take away 6 is, start counting from the next digit of 6 until 14. Got it? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 14 take away 8 is, 14 take away 6 is 8. Got it? Got it, everyone? So 14 take away 6 is 8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is 10 take away 3. Not 41, it makes 14. Just listen to me carefully. Just listen to me carefully. Here you have 0. Got it? You cannot subtract 0 out of 3 because 0 is smaller number. Got it? So you have to make the number greater than 3. You have to borrow 1 from the next digit. The digit you already have is the rightmost digit. Got it? You have 0, 0 is at the rightmost position. The one you borrowed, you have to add it to the left of the 0. Got it? So it makes 10, 10. Do not add on the right side. You have to add carry borrow to the left side. Got it? You have to do 10 take away 3. So 10 take away 3 is, start counting from the next digit of 3 until 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just count the lines. Yes, they make 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. Got it? The correct option is 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 5. 10 take away 5. So you always start from the ones digit. The ones digit is 0 take away 5. You cannot subtract 0 out of 5. Got it? Because 0 is smaller number, you always subtract the greater number out of the smaller one. Got it? So you have to make the number greater than 5. So you already have 0. 0 is at the rightmost position. Borrow the 1 from the next digit. When you borrow 1 from next digit, it makes 0 over here. 1 minus 1 is 0. And add the 1 to the left of the 0. Got it? So it then makes 10. Got it? And 10 take away 5 is 10 take away 5 is 18. Is 8. 10 take away 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. What happened? 10 take away 5 is 5. Got it? The next one is 13 take away 5. 13 take away 5. Okay. Start with the rightmost digit. The rightmost digit is 3. You cannot subtract 3 out of 5 because 3 is smaller than 5. So you have to make the number greater than 5. Got it? So you already have 3 threes at the rightmost position. You have to borrow 1 from the next digit. So when you borrow from the next digit, it makes 13 here. Got it? And here you have 0 now. So 13 take away 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 13 take away 5 is 8. And here you have 0. Just write 0 as it is. So 13 take away 5 equals 8. Got it? The correct option is 8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, let's just start. You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is subtraction word problems, numbers up to 18. Let me write down the lesson name. Subtraction word problems, numbers up to 18. So basically the numbers are greater than now. Then you have to subtract from the number greater than 9. You have to follow the same method. You all have to borrow 1 from the next digit. Got it? So just listen to me carefully, understand the questions, and then we have to subtract. Penguins at the zoo are fed 2 times a day. One of the penguins ate a total of 16 fish yesterday. During his morning feeding, he ate 8 fish. How many fish did he eat in afternoon feeding? So the total fishes one of the penguins ate is 16. That means one penguin ate 16 fish yesterday. And in the morning, he ate 8 fishes. You have to calculate the fishes he ate afternoon. Got it? In afternoon. So you have to do 16 take away 8. Got it? Sixteen take away 8. Okay, you cannot subtract 6 out of 8 because 6 is smaller than 8. Got it? So you have to make this number greater than 8. So for this, you have to borrow 1 from the last digit. You already have 6 here. You have to borrow 1. So 1 subtract 1 is 0. Here you are left with 0. And when you borrow 1, it makes 16. Got it? Now you have to do 16 take away 8. Got it? Start counting from the very next digit to 8 until 16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now just count the lines and you'll get your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the correct option is 8. Got it? That means 16 take away 8 is 8. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next question. 16 take away 8 is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. There are 11 steps leading up to Mr. Carter's house. 6 of the steps are clean. How many steps are dirty? So you have to to do 11 take away 6. Got it? You have to do 11 take away 6. So follow the same method I am doing. Do not confuse. It's very easy. 11 take away 6. You cannot subtract 1 out of 6. So you have to borrow 1 from the next digit. Got it? The complete digit is 11. So that means when you borrow 1, it makes 11. Got it? And here you are left with 0. You have to do 11 take away 6 actually. Got it? Start counting from the very next digit to 6 until 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got it? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11 take away 6 is 5. Got it? 11 take away 6 equals 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. A caravan on the Oregon Trail had a total of 17 pounds of meat. If they had 8 pounds of fresh meat, how many pounds of dried meat they have? You have to do 17 subtract 8. Got it? You have to do 17 subtract 8. Okay. You cannot subtract 7 out of 8 because 7 is greater than 8. Got it? So you have to borrow 1 from the next digit to make the number greater than 7. Got it? When you borrow 1, it makes 17 here, and here you are left with 0. So 17 take away 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just count the lines. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So when you 17 take away 8 is 9. Got it? 17 take away 8 equals 9. What happened? No one is answering. Is there any problem? If you have any problem, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. So 17 take away 8 equals 9. Got it? There were a total of 10 tadpoles in a pound. One afternoon, Oscar caught 9 tadpoles from the count and took them home. How many tadpoles were left in the pound? So you have 10 tadpoles. Out of the 9, out of the 10, Oscar caught 9 of them. Got it? So 10 take away 9 equals 10 take away 9 equals 10 take away 9 equals 1. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Zachary is helping set up from a school picnic by putting out small and large paper plates. He has a total of 12 plates. If he has 4 large ones, how many small paper plates does Zachary have? So you have to do 12 take away 4. Got it? Let's just do 12 take away 4. 12 take away 4. Okay, you cannot subtract. Look at the rightmost digits. You cannot subtract 2 out of 4. Got it? Because 2 is smaller than 4. You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. Got it? So you have to make the number greater than 4 so that you can subtract. Got it? You have 2 here. You have to borrow 1 from the next digit. Got it? So when you borrow 1, 1 subtract 1 is 0. Add the borrow on the left side, on the right side of the 2. Got it? So it makes 12 here. So you have to do 12 take away 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 take away 4 is 8. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, an actress owns 16 pairs of shoes. 7 of those pairs are her favorite colors, which is teal. How many pairs of shoes does actress own that are not teal? So basically you have to do 16 take away 7. So 16 take away 7 equals, who knows the answer? 16 take away 7 equals, sixteen take away 7 equals 9. Got it? You have to borrow 1 from the next digit to make it 16, and 16 take away 9 is 16 take away 7 is 9. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the Newman family eat cherry and grape jelly on their toast. They have a combined total of 13 ounces of jelly. If they have 8 ounces of grape jelly, how many ounces of cherry jelly do they have? So collectively they have 13 ounces of jelly. Got it? Out of the 13, 8 ounces of the jelly is grape jelly. You have to calculate how many ounces of cherry jelly do they have. Got it? So you need to do 13 take away 8. Got it? So 13 take away 8 equals, start counting from 8, the next number to 8 until you reach 13. Got it? So it would be 13 take away 8. You already have 3. You have to borrow 1. So it makes 0 over here and 1 over here. So it makes 13. 13 take away 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 13 take away 8 equals 5. Got it? So 13 take away 8 is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Harold has a total of 10 letters. He has opened 5 of them so far. How many letters does Harold have left to open? So you have to do 10 take away 5. So 13 take away 5 equals 10 take away 5 equals 5. Got it? Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. The music school in Pike Country held a children's concert and an adults concert at the same time. A total of 15 students performed at the two concerts. If 6 students performed at the children's concerts, how many students perform at the adults concert? The total students performed are 15. Got it? And out of the 15, 6 of them are children's. 6 of them performed at children's concert. You have to calculate how many students have performed in the adults concert. Got it? So basically you have to do 15 take away 6. You have to do 15 take away 6. Got it? So you always start subtraction from the rightmost digit. These are the rightmost digits. So you have to do 5 take away 6. Got it? But you cannot subtract 5 after 6. You have to borrow 1 from the next digit because the 5 is smaller than 6. So you already have 5. Add the borrow to the right of the digit. So it makes 15. Got it? Now you have to do 15 take away 6. So start counting the next digit from 6 to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 15 take away 6 is 9. Got it? 15 take away 6 is 9. So just select the correct option and click on the 9 is the correct option. Select the correct option then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is the same thing we are doing. You have to subtract the numbers out of 18. Got it? The lesson name is Subtraction Sentences for Word Problems. Now you are learning how to subtract the numbers that are greater than 9. Got it? Until 18. So subtraction sentences for word problems numbers up to 18. Got it? So here is the next one, subtraction sentences for word problems numbers up to 18. Okay, you are given with the story. You have to write it as the subtraction sentence. Got it? Just look at the numbers involved in the question. Got it? Alex is a school janitor. Last week, he picked up a total of 6 pieces of trash. If he picked up 2 pieces of trash in the classroom, how many pieces of trash did Alex pick up outside the classroom? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. You have to write the subtraction sentence. Got it? Just look at the numbers involved in the sentence. The number is story 6 and 2. Got it? Write the greater number always first. So that means you have to write the sentence as 6 take away 2. Got it? Always write the greater number first and then the smaller number. So you have to do 6 take away 2. Let's just start with the test. An actress owns 3 pairs of shoes. Two of those pairs are her favorite color, which is indigo. How many pairs of shoes does the actress own that are not indigo? Got it? You have to calculate the ones that are not indigo. 3 out of 2 are the indigo. So you have to, which option is the correct one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 take away 2 is 1. 3 take away 1 is 2. 3 take away 2, 5. 3 take away 1, 4. Which of the option is the correct one? You have to look for the numbers involved. The numbers are 3 and 2. So always write the greater number first. So it would be 3 take away 2. So 3 take away 2 equals 3 take away 2 equals 1. That means the first option is the correct one. Got it? That is the subtraction sentence that fits the story. Got it? 3 take away 2 is 1. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? There are 4 steps leading up to Mrs. Martin's house. One of the step is clean. How many of the steps are dirty? Got it? So the numbers involved are 4 and 1. So that means it must be 4 subtract 1. So 4 subtract 1 equals 3. Got it? You have the correct option is 4 subtract 1 equals 3. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 8 of the pair of shoes in a particular shoe store are black. There are 9 pair of shoes in the store in all. How many pair of shoes are not black? You have to calculate the number of shoes that are not black. Got it? So you have to do always write the greater number first. The greater one is 9. So you have to do 9 take away 8. Got it? And 9 take away 8 equals 9 take away 8 equals, yes, it is 1. Got it? 9 take away 8 equals 1. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, Anne has finished reading 2 pages in her library book. The book has a total of 6 pages. How many pages does Anne have left to read? So which is the correct option? The numbers involved are 2 and 6. You always write the greater number first, so it would be 6 take away 2. Got it? And 6 take away 2 equals 4. Got it? So that means the last option is the correct one. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Alex is a school janitor. Last week he picked up a total of 6 pieces of trash. If he picked up 2 pieces of trash in the classroom, how many pieces of trash did Alex pick up outside the classroom? Got it? You have to subtract the greater number out of the smaller one. So which of the option is the correct one? The greater number is 6. So you have to do 6 take away 2. So 6 take away 2 is 6 take away 2 is 4. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 5 of the pairs of shoes in a particular store are black. There are 6 pairs of shoes in the store. In all, how many pairs of shoes are not black? Got it? You have to calculate the number of shoes that are not black. So which of the subtraction sentence is the correct one? You always write the greater number first. So it would be 6 take away 5. So 6 take away 5 equals 1. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A caravan on the Oregon Trail had a total of 7 pounds of meat. If they had 6 pounds of fresh meat, how many pounds of dry meat did they have? So which is the correct option? You always write the greater number first. So it would be then 7 take away 6. It would be 7 take away 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. 7 take away 6 is 1. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Preston is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday he completed 2 problems. There are 3 problems altogether. How many problems does Preston have left to finish today? Got it? So you have to do which is the correct option. It would be 3 take away 2. Got it? So 3 take away 2 equals 1. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the chapter subtraction. The lessons are subtraction facts numbers up to 18, subtraction word problems numbers up to 18, subtraction sentences for word problems numbers up to 18. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Please write a question if you have any. Okay, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. So if you need more help with any of the question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.